If you want to create such photocopy grunge effect in Photoshop, then you are at the right place. In this video, we'll learn exactly the same. So, let's open Photoshop and get started. Here we have our image. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Right click and convert it into Smart Object. Now go to Image Adjustments and choose Black and White. Play with the settings as per your image. When done, hit OK. Go to Filter and choose Filter Gallery. Click on Fit in View. And from the Sketch section, choose Graphic Pen. Change the stroke length and the light and dark balance as per your image. Now, click on this plus icon over here and from here choose Reticulation. Adjust its density, foreground level and background level. Hit OK when done. Now for the last step, go to the adjustment layer and choose Curves. Adjust the graph to create a complete black and white contrast. And here is the final result. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.